always got to do a 90s look because I was born in 1990. Yep. So that's my era. But this is only the beginning. So I want to start out with doing a big braid. And I'm already struggling. Oh my God, it's so hard dealing with super long neckline hair, but we gonna try. So I just want to braid it. I mean, plait it, I guess you could say. Like so. So let's get this plaited down. And I don't want to do it too tight because I kind of want to pull it apart. You know how to be pulling it apart? I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna see how it works. I had 2 packs of that hair, but I only ended up using 1. But I don't know. Maybe I should use 2 to give it a more dramatic look. I don't know. This isn't that dramatic as I intended for it to be. The end is the worst, and my hands are cramping up. I don't know. That's what happens when you've been making stuff your whole life. Drawing, building, your hands gonna be like this. Don't do it. Hold on, I can't. Oh shit. My fucking shit is cramping up. Ooh. Hold on, I can't. Hold on. Why is it cramping up like that? I need to drink some water. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I made it through it. It don't look the best, but my Jesus. So now I'm gonna try to pull it out. I don't know how to be doing it. Do I just do it like that? Okay, I don't think I did it tight enough. Wait a minute. Let me start. Should I start from the middle? I don't know, y'all. I think I'm supposed to do it a little tighter. This I did it too loose. So I ended up making a braid tighter, and it's still not tight enough. So I don't care. We just don't need it like. This is what we're. It's better than what it did. So this is what we have. A whole lot of bamboo style 90s earrings. I forgot why I originally got all these earrings. It was to make an outfit or a purse or something. I don't know. But now I want to just put them all throughout this braid. So I have like smaller ones, and then I have some that's a little bigger. Or do I? But I was thinking putting the smaller ones towards the bottom. But, because I got like these. But I might just do, what's this, a Gemini here now? With a Pisces that we got these, say baby, Pisces. I'm trying to think how I do it. See, I'm about to just hot glue. Let me try one more time. If it don't work, I'm pulling out the hot glue. Yeah. I'm doing hot glue. My favorite thing in the world. Okay, this is what we have. Sorry I had to do it off camera. Because there's glue everywhere. See, I wanted to sit up like this, but I didn't do it right. But look, it's cute. No, it's cute. I like how it turned out. Well, how can I get it set up? Because I would have brought my needle thread. I would have set this thing up. Because that's what we need. Like a good. Hold on. Just some pictures. I'm just going to hold it up. I don't know how the back looks, so I ain't gonna turn around. We can do a kind of side. That's kind of what the side look. And I could have put some. No, I feel like they're doing too much. But hold on. We gotta change outfits. So this is the outfit. So I'm trying to figure out. Because I don't know how I feel about it.